Hi, my name's John. Welcome to 2024. Today is the 1st of January and I'm going to do the draw for the Arctic MiG 181 inverter welder. Was about a fortnight ago when Rob told us that I could keep the welder or give it away, and we decided to do a free raffle. I'm going to go upstairs, punch some buttons on the computer and see if we can get a winner. Right, Chris Corns or Chris, all you need to do is send me an email. That's my address up there, and we'll get the welder posted off to you as soon as possible. If you didn't win and you want to buy any Arctic product, there is a link in the description box. Follow the link and by all means mention my name. It certainly won't do you any harm. Anyway, thanks for watching.